Okay, so now we know a bit more about how to think when it comes to security in OT, and we also know that there are guiding standards to help. But Claes, I suppose that some of your clients might want to know what is the right level of security for them in their specific operations.
Absolutely. So we see our customers assessing both the risk and the threat landscape out there and trying to identify the right level of security for them. Of course, other than the general risks and the general threat landscape, there are other areas in the infrastructure where security controls can be implemented to mitigate the risk.
How would you say that standards help in this work?
Well, so I think the IEC 62443 standard is very good at this. It clearly defines different levels for cybersecurity. So we go all the way from level 0, where there are very few security controls, up to level 4, which is the highest level, where security is really a key priority. And level 4 is for companies, for example, organizations within the energy sector, the defense sector, or perhaps healthcare. And a level 4 is suitable if you are to fend off very, very advanced and serious actors, advanced persistent threats, or nation states.
Okay. And how does Atlas Copco, as a supplier and partner to manufacturing operations, work with these areas?
Well, so as a partner to our customer, we need to understand what the different needs are and the challenges are today. And I think we need to work together to further strengthen cybersecurity. Within our own organization, we work with having the right policies in place, having the right processes in place, having a high level of awareness within the organization with our employees, but then also to have the right technology in place to identify any potential issue early.
Okay, it sounds like you have some challenging but exciting work ahead of you.
Yes, indeed.